Welcome to live customers training. If you are on the live call, use the chat box to chat with me and ask me questions. If you are watching this video from YouTube or from other channel, then please know that this is a paid customers training, but we are publishing this for free on YouTube and other channels so everybody learns how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we will be mostly using our software Epic to show you how we make money online, and our Epic customers can make money online. And in case you don't have access to Epic, link is in the description. Again, this is a paid training, and yes, do you understand we deserve a like and a share? Yes, go ahead, hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and share this video on social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter timelines so everybody else knows how easy it is to make money online. All right, we're going to today's money motivation. This is to show you how much money we made, right? No, not at all. Look at this. This is one of my Warrior Plus account. And this is today's earning. This is yesterday's. This is last 30 days, this is last month, but these are not most important numbers. The most important numbers are these numbers and these numbers. They're basically the same. They are the clicks from our valued visitors. They are so valuable. They are the customers. They found our content, like our videos and our other contents, helpful. They loved our content and they clicked on our links, and then they decided to purchase from us, and we made all this money. They all started from one thing, and that one thing is a sincere interest to help others. Just like these videos, we are giving away valuable information 100% free so everybody can learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. So how do we do that? It's super simple. We make videos. But unlike this channel, we don't use cameras and microphones on our other 20+ channels. We use Epic. Epic is an artificial intelligence software. Epic helps us make videos using artificial intelligence. It writes the scripts for us using AI. So when you need to write a script, we don't write it. We go to the text generator, copy and paste any text from anywhere, and use any of these two buttons, and the AI rewrites the text for us. How cool is that? Then we copy the text, go to the audio section, use the text to audio, put the text right here, and click the submit button, and automatically natural sounding voiceover is ready. I'm going to show you how it works step by step in a later part of the video, so stay tuned. Then Epic allows us make videos using image, links, and text without using camera and microphone. But that's not all. Epic helps us make videos in bite size. So you see all these small segments, they are bite-sized videos. They can be 1 second long to 10 minutes long. And you can make as many segments as you want, save the campaign, go out for other work, come back, and whenever you are ready and you're happy with your video, simply click the render button and the video is ready in the background. Then you can upload the video, download the video, do whatever you want with it, help your customers with your videos. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok will send you customers. That's exactly how we make money. So are we ready for today? Let's begin. The shortcut to find customers is to find people or locate people who are already spending money with their credit cards. These are the people who are serious about their life and serious about solving their problems. And they're already spending money to solve their problems. All we need to do is to locate them and help them with their problems. So let me give you an example. Photoshop is an expensive software. Adobe is expensive. They charge monthly or annual recurring fees to use their platform or their softwares. Photoshop is extremely popular, but at the same time, it's complicated. They have a lot of problems and complications. So users keep asking how to learn these and that. So if you go to YouTube and just search with Photoshop, you'll find hundreds of questions and answers in the form of videos. Now here is one thing to notice. These Photoshop users don't care about how you look, whether you are on the camera or using microphone or using simple text and image to tell them what to do. Am I right? Yes. That is why you should go and search for what are the problems and solutions on Photoshop, what people are asking. So I'll give you an example, glow effect. A lot of people are asking about glow effect. Step number 1, go and watch some videos and have an idea about how to do that. Then go to Google and search for how to do glow effect on Photoshop, and you will find amazing articles. If you find, the job is done. Now first you go to Epic and start a section or a slide. Let's call it intro, and then open any article. We're going to put this article step by step into Epic, and let me show you how to do that. So let's say you are describing this section using Epic. Just copy the image address, go to the image section and Control V. If the image link extension is PNG or JPG or any kind of image extension, then the image will automatically be loaded here. Awesome. Now you can rotate it, you can enlarge it, you can squeeze it, do whatever you want with it. It's completely your choice. Now the first thing you need to do is to copy that text, Control C. You can either go to that text section and use text generator and rewrite the text, or you can rewrite yourself, or simply for demonstration's sake, we'll just go to the audio section, go to the text to audio, name it as title, the quality WebNet, and select my favorite voiceover artist, Control V, make sure the punctuations are correct, and then click submit. And immediately go to the text to audio, you will find
add dramatic lighting to the background. Now we're going to create a vignette.
Your voiceover is ready. Now let's do a little magic with text. Go to the text section, put your text here, and play the voiceover.
Add dramatic lighting.
So the moment it says dramatic lighting, I'm gonna add that here. So select this text and click add. Now look, this text is added right here where the timeline bar is. Awesome? You will see how it works.
Into the background. Now we're going to create a vignette.
So vignette, add.
To do this, create a new
layer.
And use the ellipse tool.
Ellipse tool.
To draw an ellipse just slightly smaller.
Slightly smaller. Okay, now did you notice how the texts are arranged automatically? Now let's move it around and you can play with them as you want. Delete this intro, we don't want it. Let's make it bigger. Let's make it smaller. Oh no, more bigger. And this one we'll make smaller to play with it. And this one, put it here. And this one, add here. Let's see how it looks. Play with the color a little bit. It's your choice. You can play with it as you want. I just moved them a little more to make it nice. Cool. Now see what happens.
Add dramatic lighting to the background. Now we're going to create a vignette. To do this, create a new layer and use the ellipse tool to draw an ellipse just slightly smaller than the
Looks nice? Super awesome, right? Now you can go as many steps as you want, as long as you want. You can make it short, you can make it long, you can put your full video in one segment, or you can add multiple segments. You can save it, you can play with the transitions, animation, this timeline bar, your choice. But this whole thing all together, from writing script to adding image in different ways, like let me show you another way. Instead of copying image address, copy the image directly and go to the click here button and paste it. Then click upload and your image is added in the library. You can click to use anytime you want. Now I'm gonna delete it. You can upload your image directly from your hard drive. You can even use background videos if you want. So there are so many ways, all the options are open, but it's very simple and completely beginner friendly, easy to use to make customer attracting videos. So this is how we make how-to videos and attract customers. Like with this video, we will be attracting Photoshop customers. And then question is, Mosh, how are we going to make money? At the end of the video, we say one thing called call to action. In the call to action, we say, hey, if you don't want to use Photoshop, there are other solutions as well. And we mention why the other solutions are better. Then we say the link is in the description and in the first comment and in the bio in case of Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And we direct the viewers to our affiliate links. Now, where do you get affiliate link for graphic design software? Again, Google is your best friend. Just go ahead, look for graphic design software with affiliate programs. And I found this one, 26 graphic design affiliate programs of July 2022. I found another one, 7 best design affiliate programs to join for bloggers. As you can see, some pays 40% recurring commissions, another pays 100% commission for the monthly plan and 25% for the annual plan. This is really cool. Another pays 50% for one-time conversions, $20 per monthly subscriber, $50 for annual, and 50% for one-time conversions. So all different kinds of affiliate programs are there. This is how we use Epic and make money using simple affiliate program. And this starts with your clear intention of helping others using simple and free information that is already out there on the internet. No need creativity, no need to spend a lot of time or a lot of money. Even, in fact, you don't need to spend money at all. All you need is get access to Epic from the link in the description if you don't have it yet, and find out what people are looking for, like Photoshop, answer people's questions, build relationship, then direct them to your affiliate link. They will buy from you, they will follow you, they will love you, and you will make money. Did you like our training? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online, the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. Do you think we deserve a like and a share? If yes, go ahead, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and your social media timelines, and everyone you know, so everyone can learn what you have just learned. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is how we make money, and hundreds of thousands of other people make money. And you can do it too. Go ahead, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money training. And we will see you in the next one.